Just allow me to help you on how to add a quote to your video to make it look more captivating to your intended audience. Follow me, let's take a walk. The first step is to open your web browser. So here I'm using Microsoft Edge to access the ClipChamp website. Then visit clipchamp.com. See the link here, clipchamp.com. On getting to this free to use video editor, online video editor, if you have an account with Microsoft already, click on sign in and sign in with your email address and password. But if you have not used this editor before, just click on try for free and follow the on-screen guide until you create an account on ClipChamp. So here I have an account already existing on the platform as a Microsoft 365 subscriber. So I'll click on sign in. Once you're able to sign up and sign in successfully, you will be taken to this interface. This is the start screen or the home page of the video editor. Then click on create a new video. Okay, you are taken to this interface. So the next step you need to take is to give your video a title. So here, let me call it quote video. After you're giving the video a title, click on import media. When you do this, the file explorer of your PC will open automatically. So get to the file you want to add quotes on the video and then import it. So let's take it in steps. I'm landing on the downloads folder of my computer. So I will navigate to the video I want to use for this tutorial. So look at the video I want to use here. So I'll click on it and select open. So click on your own and select open for it to be imported into ClipChamp. Now that the video is imported into ClipChamp, let's take further steps. Take your cursor to the video, okay? Press and hold on the left button of your mouse and drag it down to the timeline. Now that the video has been added to the timeline, it says we matched your media. We predict these dimensions will work best for the media you imported. You can change them here anytime. I said okay. So they detect the dimension of the video and then recommend something for us. But if you are going to post this quote on Instagram or TikTok, I have a best media size for you. So click here to change the size. Then the best size is 9 by 16. Just go with that. But if you want to go with the default, which is the dimension at which you recorded the video, there's no problem about that, okay? You can see now when I took my cursor here, it says portrait, good for Instagram stories, TikTok, and mobile videos. So let's go with that. Now that we have shaping this, so we are going to adjust it to fit in very well. So take your cursor to all the vertices or one or two and drag until it covers the safe area. Okay. Okay, so I need to still adjust this one. All right, we have covered the safe area. Now it's time for us to add our quotes. For you to add a quote on this video, what you need to do is click on this text tab. When you click on this text tab, you will see different styles of text. You can use the plain text to add quotes here. So what you need to do is just to take your cursor here, just as I am here, press and hold on the left button of your mouse and drag and drop. Okay? But here, I want us to look for another text style that has quotes in it. You can see this one. It says quote author. So that's what I want us to work with. So take your cursor there, press and hold on the left button of your mouse, and then drag it and drop it on top of the video we already have in the timeline. Good, you can see everything blends very well. But if this text happens to be like this, shorter on the timeline, you can just take your cursor here until you see these pointing ends of the arrow, okay, two-headed arrow. Then you drag to cover everything. Once everything matches, you will see the line that is pink in color. So let's go on and add our text. To add your text, as you have added the text on the timeline, click on this text tab by the right. Okay, we first click here and selected. Then the next step is to click on this text timeline if it's not selected already after adding it. So click on it until you see this green round design around it. Okay, then click on this text tab. Now this opens this section requesting that you add your quote here. So here, let me click here and remove this word quote. And then I will place my own text inside this text box. So let me go and copy it from somewhere and then paste. Okay, so now that I have copied it, I will take my cursor here, then Control V to paste it. Okay, then I'll go down and put the author's name. That is the person that quoted this first. And it's no other person than Godwin Mike. Good. Now let's play this and see how it looks like. You can see this shows, but the text does not show fully. What it means is that you need to break this text we have in the text box to different units in a way that everything we display here orderly. Then you get here, you can reduce the text size, you can change the text color, you can change the quote color, you can apply a different background color. Okay, so just be professional in your task. All right, so first is, let me just take it three words first. So I'll click here and then press the enter key to get to the next line. Okay, then let me be taking it three words or two words. Then I'll click here, press the enter key. So I'll continue this until I get everything fitted into this video. All right, so let me complete the rest at the back end and we continue. Okay, I'm done breaking the text into different segments. Okay, some lines are three words, some lines are two words. Okay, so just do it in a way that everything will look neat. Now you can see some of the tests are showing here, but they're not showing very well in the safe area. So what we need to do is take your cursor to this size and reduce it. Okay, so as you're reducing, be observing what is going on here. Okay, then we can change a font. Maybe you don't like this font, we can change it by clicking here and select a new font of your choice. You may need to try so many fonts until you arrive at what you feel okay with. Okay, you can see I chose this font type, Corona 1. Okay, it fits in properly, but you may need to try different font types as I stated before. Then look at what this code reads. If you want to make money online, you must focus on one or two platforms that have proven to work over the years. You do not need to be deceived by all the lies all over the internet. And who made this code is Godwin Mike, which happens to be me. So you can add a quote from popular people or even your own quotes. So it's that simple, okay? Then now that we have shaping our text the way we want it, let's close this. Now it's time to export this, okay, for us to save it in our computer. For you to save it, click on export. From the list of options displayed to you, choose the quality at which you want that to be exported. But here I want to export in HD, so I'll click on this option. Okay, here the file has been exported to my laptop. So that's the step. So if you get to the file explorer of your PC, you will see the file here. You can see my own here. I hope you find this guide helpful. If it does help, consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Here we discuss more on technology, which includes how to use some software. Okay, so if you're interested in this kind of content, there's need for you to subscribe to learn more. So I have a lot on this channel that will teach you a lot. Okay, Hit the like button for YouTube to recommend this video to more people. Okay, it will help me grow this channel too. It won't take anything from you just to hit the like button. Just hit it, okay? Have you done that? Thank you. Leave a comment in the comment section to know how you feel about this video. Does it really help you or you need something extra? Let me just hear in the comment section. Watch this video to learn everything you need to know on how to use Microsoft Video Editor, which is known as ClipChamp, to complete some wonderful task. Thank you and see you some other time.